Hey, this is Shiraz just giving you a heads up that when energy shifts, I yawn and I cough. So you're going to hear that in the video. And just giving you the heads up, I'm not sick. I'm not tired. That's just how it goes. So here we go. Enjoy.
Incredible day. I don't know where to start because I just finished being a first responder at a motorcycle accident.
Okay. Wow.
Uh, yeah. Hmm. So this day's been full of different types of excitement. Being back home, climbing, and successfully doing it for the first time in 9 years. Feeling settled in at home. I passed my exam, so I'm licensed to work here. So it's all happened today. And yeah, I wasn't going to come on this call, but I'm halfway home and I just can't drive. I'm a little sort of shooken up, and there's a lot of adrenaline running through me right now from that
Okay.
experience.
So what is the question or the issue? What is the
Sorry.
question or the issue?
I don't know, like, am I bringing like too much excitement into my life? Like it just feels like life over the last few weeks is like 0 to 1,000,
Okay.
and being at that motorbike accident, is an added sort of, you know,
But you were there to help him. It was just
yeah, I was there to help
so
him.
things could have gone a lot different if you weren't there to help him. So I'm sure he's grateful that you were there. and
Yeah.
and you can look at this as an opportunity to show what a gift you are, what a contribution you are to the world and to the people that you encounter, because you have the training to help them and you happen to be there.
Hmm.
So do things have to be over the top now?
No, I would like to say no,
But that
but
seems to be where your end
there's some
is.
part of it that's like, I don't know, saying yes.
Okay, so now that you've moved, do you have to ramp things up to 11?
No.
Okay, that's not coming up true. So are you willing to step out of the story that you now have to ramp things up to 11?
Yeah.
Oh, that's what I forgot to tell. When energy shifts for people on the call, I yawn and cough. And so be prepared for that tonight. And people on the call will shift energy in different ways. So you may yawn, you may feel lighter and happier, you may get hot or cold, and you may burp. So, and if it's a deep emotional thing, you may end up crying. Okay. Breathe.
I was fine when I was there.
Yeah. Okay. So remember, what we cleared was the have to do things at ramp things up to 11. So there are times where it's going to go to 11, but then there are times where it's going to go to 1 or 7 or just 10, and that's all fine. But if you have to do 11, it's just going to override, like not override, overdo everything, overload you,
Yeah.
right? Do you have to prove to people how capable you are?
No.
Again, not coming up true. So are you willing to destroy the belief that you have to prove to people how capable you
Yes.
are? And some people are thinking, well, how are people going to see your value if you don't prove how capable you are? It's a matter of knowing your own value, and the opportunities to show it will come up, but having to prove it is all about ego and making sure people see it. So it doesn't come from a place of spirit and calmness and knowing your value. It comes from, I have to show. Okay. How's that feeling?
I'm starting to feel a bit lighter.
Yeah, you're